go on. You see the pictures. Who are they? Please tell me. You know.
UK. People.
People, yes. You know what old, yes. In English? In English? Nationalities. Right, please, on your copybooks. Today we have a new lesson. Please open your copybook. The 14th of October. Right, today's theme. Before beginning our new lesson, let's revise new words. Listen. Only listen, okay? Don't repeat. Listen.
Okay.
Kazakhstan,
Don't repeat.
Mexico, Portugal, Spain, the UK, the USA,
Kazakhstan, Russia, Mexico, Portugal, Spain, the UK, the USA, Turkey, France, Greece, China, Italy. Again.
Russia, Mexico, Portugal, Spain, the UK, the USA, Turkey, France, Greece, China, Italy.
Okay, finish here. Let's go on. That we have just talked about that we have a theme. What theme we have? For nationalities. What's nationalities? Next. Russia. UK. Portugal. Yes.
Mexico,
Italy. Yes. Okay. You know everybody? Again. Look here. What flag? Mexico. Okay.
France,
Italy. Russia.
China.
Thank you very much. I give you papers, okay? You must work in groups. Write the names of countries. Work please together. Yeah. What folder? It's high time. Let's check out, please. Check out, please. Please finish checking out. Let's assess each other, please. Бір-бірімізді бағалайық енді. Мына кімнің тобы еді? Сіздердікі, иә? Айсана. Please assess group Kazakhstan. Azjan, say me please. It's bad to put here, okay? It is sad, you put here. Okay? Енді excellent болса жоғары көтересің, орташа болса былай. Бір-екі қате бар екен. Good, yes? Орташа болса. Please. Okay? Тек біреуін ғана жазбаға. Қанша қалай бағалайсыздар? Please tell me, please. Так, I give you 3 minutes. 3 минут уақыт беремін. Тезет минут. Жаз қойдыңыз ба уже? Болдыңыз ба? Так, country and national. Ұлт пен елдерді жазуымыз керек қазір. Сурет сомасына. Так, 3 minutes тез. But he is just
Это Мексика. Пойдем потом там.
it's countries and the nationalities, but sorry, I say, where are you from? I'm from Kazakhstan. What's your nationality? I am Kazakhstan. Yes. Who wants to come to the club? You say me? Ander, come here. I am from.
I'm from Portugal. I'm Portugal.
Okay, thank you very much. Next.
Spain.
What country is it?
Spain.
Spain.
I'm from Spain. I'm Spain.
Yes, thank you very much.
Greece.
Oldu dediniz? I am Greek. Yes, Greek. Okay, please. Adjan.
I'm from China. Me Chinese.
I'm Chinese.
I'm Chinese.
Okay, thank you very much. Clap your hands.
I'm from USA. I'm Zeus. American. I'm American.
I'm American. Yeah, very nice.
I'm from Russia.
Yeah.
Russia.
Russian. I'm Russian. Okay. Clap your I am from Mexico. I am Mexican. If you have a nationality, you say I am Kazakhstani, I am Mexican, I am French, I am Spanish, British. I am British. Yes. I'm from
the UK. I'm British.
I'm British. Yes, very nice. Next.
Oh, my I'm from
I'm Kazakhstani. Yes, very nice. Let's begin from the group, the UK, okay? Who wants to begin? Adjan, continue.
Men Amerika gelince Miami.
No, please read in English. I'm from
Miami, Florida, in the USA.
The capital?
The capital of the USA is Washington. Men Amerika kalasında Amerika gelince Miami kalasında turamam.
No, ұлттық спорт. Бұл не? Және? Бейсбол. Favorite food бұл не?
Біздің тамағымыз гамбургер.
Так, Леонардо Ди Каприо.
Is a famous American actor.
Леонардо Ди Каприо. Леонардо Ди Каприо кім екен?
Американың
Дұрыс, актері. Атақты актер. The capital.
The capital of Italy is Rome.
Окей, жақсы. Яғдайды, менің атым?
Менің атым
İtalya'da söyleyeyim. Ben İtalya'da Milan'da turamam.
Тыш, Адет.
İtalya benim iyiyim.
Okay. My favorite food is pizza and pasta. Менің.
Bizim жақсы көретін тамағымыз пицца және паста.
Жақсы. Thank you very much. Зыштағамыз. Write please your full name and how old are you and where are you from and what's the nationality. Please write please. Excellent marks, please. Thank you very much for active participation. The rest is our stand up, please. So let's go. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Teachers.
Teachers.
Ahmet, I will have